Hi, I'm Tori, and I'm working together with Olivia and Logan to make an Aztec themed meal. I will be making the appetizer, which is going to be some chips and guacamole.
All your ingredients will be 3 avocados, a teaspoon of more salt, 3 tablespoons of lime juice. For your tortilla chips, you'll need 2 cups of corn masa flour, 1.5 cups of warm water, some salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and whatever the other seasoning you'd like.
So first, you're going to want to add your 2 cups of corn masa flour and half a teaspoon of salt into a mixing bowl. Once you have your masa flour and your salt mixed together, you'll want to add a cup of your water.
Third, you will add the rest of your water, but a couple of teaspoons at a time, mixing in between each time. Once everything is all mixed up and looks like a dough, you can pick the dough up with your hands and knead it together. Once the dough is kneaded, you'll want to separate it into golf-sized balls. After this, you need to put something on both sides of the ball to prevent from sticking, and I'm using a gallon Ziploc baggie that has been cut in half. Then you can use a tortilla press or flat bottom dish to flatten your dough ball. I do not have a tortilla press, so I will be using this circle thing. After you have your dough flattened, you will want to heat a skillet to medium-high heat and then cook the tortilla for about a minute on each side. To make the actual tortilla chips, you will want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Next, you will use a pizza cutter to cut your tortillas into 4 to 8 triangles and then place them in a bowl. Once all your tortilla pieces are in the bowl, you will put the olive oil and spices on them and make sure the oil and seasons are evenly distributed. After that, you will place your tortilla chips into the oven for 15 to 18 minutes. For the guacamole, you will first cut your avocados in half and scoop the pit out of the avocado with a spoon. Second, you will scoop out the avocado flesh and skin and add it to a bowl. Third, you'll mash all of the avocado flesh into a pulp. After that, you will add the amount of lime juice and salt that you would like, but I recommend adding small bits at a time. That is all for the guacamole, so now you have some homemade chips and guacamole to enjoy with your other Aztec-inspired dishes.